Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Maker token. That is one of my favorite tokens to trade because of its volatility. I'll show you on the charts. And the second reason is that they burn their tokens. For example, this is a site makerburn.com. Here you can see that so far they have burned 5,576 tokens, and recently on annual basis they have burned 160 tokens. Definitely, if they're burning the tokens, it is decreasing the supply of the tokens, and demand will be automatically increased. And this is a simple rule of supply and demand. If the supply will be decreased, demand will be increased. Automatically, the token or asset will gain the value. And if we take a look at the coinmarketcap.com, then it is ranked at 23 out of more than 2,300 cryptocurrencies and tokens. That is really a very big success. And at this time, it is being traded almost at $680. And if I open this historical data, then we can see that over the last month, the market cap of MakerCoin is increased by more than 100%. For example, on May 11th, it was $318 million. At this time, it is more than $672 million. And if we visit the Coinbase blog, then on 29th of May, they added this announcement on their blog that Maker is launching on Coinbase Pro. After this announcement, the Maker, even though it was already moving up, but it is surged more 110%. And if we see the movement of the Maker from the lowest of the March up to the highest of this month, the June, it is surged more than 350%. At this time, it is moving within this channel, and this movement of the channel is very much synchronized with the combination of these three indicators. For example, whenever the price action reached at the support and we received the bullish signals by the momentum indicator, and the MACD also turned bullish, and the stochastic also gave the bull cross, it reached up to the resistance of the channel. And after that, we have witnessed this move again here. When it was reached up to the support, we received a bullish signal. It was bearish, and it was turned weak bearish from the strong bearish, the momentum. It was a kind of bullish signal. And we received also a weak bearish signal by the MACD indicator, and the stochastic also gave the bull cross from the oversold zone. And we have received another bullish movement by the price action of Maker, and it produced more than 1,500% in this rally. And when it again moved down at the support in the month of March, and we received the bullish signal by the MACD, and the stochastic also gave the bull cross. And finally, when we received this bullish signal by the momentum indicator, it turned again bullish and produced more than 350% bullish rally. And this is a long-term weekly chart, and next one is also the long-term weekly chart. And as in the starting of the video, I told you that I love the volatility of the Maker coin, the Maker token, and this was the basic reason that it forms the different harmonic patterns with the continuity and consistency on the long term. For example, here we can see that the Maker formed a complete bad pattern, and after entering in 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level, that is a potential reversal zone of bad pattern, it took a powerful bullish divergence, and this rally was up to 266%. And after that, the Maker formed a very big bullish butterfly, and after taking the bullish divergence from this butterfly pattern, it produced more than 1,500% on this weekly chart. And finally, it formed another bad pattern recently when we had the very strong bearish trend in the month of March, when all the market was moving down. The Maker was also moving down with other market as well. And from the potential reversal zone of this bad pattern is again the Maker again turned bullish and produced more than 350% very strong bullish rally. Now what next? Whether it will move more up or it will be moved down. To watch that, first of all, we need to switch to the smaller time period chart to see the current position of the Maker token. And we can see that since after mid of March, it was moving within this up channel, same as like the BTC and other top coins has formed the up channel. The Maker token also formed an up channel. But the difference between the Maker and the Bitcoin and other altcoins is that Maker has broken out this up channel, and so far the Bitcoin and other altcoins, the top altcoins, are still moving in that up channel. And the basic reason was the announcement on 29th of May that was added on the Coinbase blog that I have just shown you recently. And this was the day of the 29th May, and we can see that it was surged, and in the very next candlestick it has broken out the resistance of this channel, and from here up to this current position it has produced more than 110% bullish rally. And if we want the different moving averages on this daily chart, then it is really very strong, as we can see that the price action has broke out all the moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200. At this time the price action has a support of 200, 25, 50 and 100 simple moving averages on this daily chart. But there is a big distance between the moving averages and the price action. Therefore, the price action doesn't have any immediate support of the moving averages, and if the price action will start a correction rally from here, then we may face a disastrous drop up to the support of the moving averages. And we have the first support of 200 simple moving average at $445, and at this time the price action is moving at $657. However, if the moving averages will be started moving up with the price action, then the price action may have an immediate support of the moving averages. Therefore, there will be less chances in that situation that the price action will move down up to this level for the correction rally. And if we move to the next chart, and that is a different support and resistance level, the long-term support and resistance levels on this weekly chart, then we can see that the price action is being traded. Originally it is being traded between this area from $350 up to $800. So this is the area where originally the price action is being traded, even though we have some more spikes up to the $250. Therefore, our last support, or the last support of this Maker token, is at $250, but there are very less chances that the price action will be moved up to this level because we have very few spikes up to this level. However, the basic support is at $350, and we can see that the price action has taken a very powerful bullish divergence from the $250 support and broke out the $350. At this time it has almost broken out the $450 resistance level, and the next resistance level is $700, very powerful resistance level, as we can see that it has been working as a powerful resistance since July 2018, and since then the price action never able to break out this resistance level, even though we have seen different spikes up to the last and key level resistance that is up to $800. But so far this $700 resistance level is technically not broken out, because we did not have even a single candlestick that is closed above this $700 resistance level. However, if this $700 resistance level will be broken out, then next resistance will be $800, the key level resistance. If it will be broken out, then we can see that soon the Maker will be reached up to the highest price ever in the history of the Maker coin, and that is $1,500. And for that, I'm looking on this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart, because since it is born, or it has appeared in the history of the Maker coin, we can see that the price action never able to cross up or break out this cloud. But finally at this time we are having some indication by this very strong bullish candlestick of Maker token that maybe this time it will break out this Ichimoku cloud. And this time the Ichimoku cloud is giving very, very strong bullish signals. For example, this is the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud that has crossed up the price action. At this time it is also likely to cross up this cloud as well. And if we want the conversion line and the baseline, that is basically the bullish line and the bearish line, then the bullish line, the conversion line, is crossing up the bearish line, that is the baseline. I'm just disappearing the price action, then you can watch this move of the conversion and the baseline very clear. The conversion line has crossed up this baseline, and this cross is just formed below the price action. That is really very strong signal. And the cloud, this Ichimoku cloud, is also turned bullish. You can see that the cloud is turned green. Once the candlestick will be able to cross up this cloud, and we will have this lagging span above the cloud, then we will have the final confirmation that the candlestick or the price action has broken out this Ichimoku cloud. That this cloud will be working as a very, very strong support for the price action of Maker token, and it will lead to a very powerful bullish move up to the next resistance, the final highest price ever in the history of the Maker coin. That is almost $1,500. That will be very easy for the price line to achieve on the long term within 1 year or 2 years. However, if the price action will be not able to cross up this cloud and the $700 resistance level on this long-term chart, then we may retest the previous support and at $450. And if we want the position of the different moving averages on this weekly chart, then the price action is also crossing up this 100 simple moving average as well. So if the price action will definitely cross up that Ichimoku cloud, then it will be also crossing up this 100 simple moving average as well. Then it will have several supports, like on this long-term weekly chart, it will have the support of a 100 simple moving average as well, and the cloud support as well. Then definitely it will be really very easy for the price line to start a very powerful bullish move to achieve the previous highest level, the highest price ever in the history of the Maker. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more updates about the Maker token, I'll definitely share with you. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, do share your comments with me, and also share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.